We're making delicious chicken fried eggs. Make our egg patties here. We're going to use this microwave bowl by Sistema. They're breaded nice. Fry these babies up. Yeah. Okay, let's get them out of there. They're done. Some gravy. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious chicken fried eggs. Okay, let's just get into a little taste. Boy, is that crunchy. Nice. All right, let's just have a little taste. I tell you, eggs never tasted this good before. Boy, are these tasty. You're really going to love these. No doubt about it. Yep.